thanks for joining me on my channel, OL Cosmetics. I'm Durell, and we are going to talk all about toners today. So what are toners? How should you use toners? When do you use toners? Different types of toners. All of that we're going to cover briefly in this segment, okay? So historically, toners were actually kind of avoided because they were really astringent and they dried out your skin. They had a lot of alcohol in them and they weren't actually that good for your skin. That's the old toners though. The new toners that we have now on the market that I make, that most people make, are alcohol free. They're full of botanicals and they can have other things like acids and look at my notes. Acids and all, and just I'm just drawing a blank, but you know, it can have lots of good things, skin beneficial things and actives, there we go, in our toners that can actually help improve our skin, not dry it out like the old toners. Sorry, I totally have my notes over here, I'm cheating. As you well know, I have a terrible memory. It's really hard to like memorize everything, and I practiced like a couple of times. But it's just hard to remember even though I write it. Anyways, so what is a toner? The toner is like the first leave-on step in your skincare routine that hydrates and treats. Okay, that's important. It's the first leave-on step. So first you clean, right? Cleanse, wash, whatever you're gonna do. And then you do a toner. And it's actually works best if you can do your toner like within a minute of cleansing. Because when your skin is wet, the toner can penetrate better. So like if you think of like a dried sponge and you put a thick cream on that sponge, it's not really gonna like sink in. But if the sponge is already wet, when you put that thick cream on the sponge, it's gonna start sinking in. So it's like having your skin wet is like prepping it for the toner, and the toner can penetrate deeper and faster right after you cleanse your face. And yes. So a toner is a fast penetrating liquid that delivers skin a quick hit of hydration and helps remove some dead cells off the surface of the skin. The result is usually plump, glowing skin. Toner is like a primer for the rest of your skincare routine, like serums and moisturizers. Preps your pores. And this is really important because I didn't know this for a while. I do now. But it actually brings, toners are pH adjusted, at least mine are, and it brings the acidity of your face back down to a normal level because most cleansers have a higher pH than our skin. And we want to be pH balanced, okay? So we want to bring it back down to that 5.5 range. When should you use a toner? So it's recommended to use a toner in your morning and evening skincare routine, so twice a day. And you use it, like I said earlier, right after you cleanse and before your serums and moisturizers or anything else. So after you do your toner, you can do like your SPF, anything. You always want to layer it like thinnest to thickest is what they say. So how should you apply it? So there's lots of different ways to apply it. Some toners come in spray bottles and you can just spritz on your face. Some toners, like my toners, are in a little dropper bottle like this. And so I take a little cloth pad, here it is, cloth pad, and we just drop one little dropper on there, and this is the way I like to do it. I like to do it this way because I think it helps exfoliate a little bit more, and I mean, it feels good, and I can see the dirt on I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, I cleansed my face today. I did my whole routine. I'm not wearing face makeup. I just wear eye makeup. But this toner is just so great at sweeping away like all the impurities and everything. So yeah. See, that's disgusting. And that's just from today. Like, I'm not wearing face makeup. You know, I'm all like, I put my moisturizer on. And that was the last thing on my face, just eye makeup. But anyways, so you use it twice a day, morning and night, after you cleanse, before you moisturize. All right? They're great. Now, there's different types of toners for different types of skin. And there's toners for all types of skin. So if you have large pores, we recommend using a toner with like an alpha hydroxy acid, like a glycolic acid, lactic acid, or a fruit acid complex. We have, and that's to remove dead cells that accumulate around the pores, making them look prominent. And so we have an orange toner with niacinamide, and I use a willow bark extract, and that is a natural form of an AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. So that helps clean away the skin and dead skin cells, and it really makes a huge difference. Your pores don't actually shrink and like get bigger and everything, but they get fuller of like sebum oil. And if you have sensitive skin, look for a toner with skin calming botanicals like our rose toner. It provides relief and deep hydration for sensitive skin types. So our rose toner has sea cucumber and calendula in it, which is very nourishing and calming. It's anti-inflammatory. So it's really good for those who have really severe sensitive skin. If you have acne prone or oily skin, you should use a salicylic or an acid-based toner, or choose one with witch hazel. That will sweep away excess oil without drying out your skin. So for that one, we have our aloe toner. This also has the willow bark extract in it, so it's not salicylic acid, but it's a AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, and aloe, which is fabulous for acne, and witch hazel, which helps with inflammation and oil production. Okay, guys, well, that is all about toners. So I hope you learned a little something, what a toner is, what it's used for, when to use it, how to use it, and if you should use it, which is a yes. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. Please give me a like, subscribe so you don't miss anything. My next video will be a tutorial on making toners. So hope you subscribe and follow along. Thanks so much. Bye.